Alright, so here it is. Hopefully, we'll see what it is.
Northtown, you can see a little North Las Vegas there. So, we're gonna cut this open. Package time. I cut out my little name and stuff for all you
Goes out there, and I'm using my kitchen knife too, my handy dandy brand new kitchen knife that I got. I'm like a kid.
It's Christmas right now, I'm like a kid. Bam. Bam. What are we looking at?
Bam. Let's see what we got going here. So, going with the HD instead of the Bright and Tufts. Have to put the Bright and Tufts up for comparison, but you can see the HDs on. And shout out to New Frontier Armory, they put them on for free because I went up there yesterday and I waited and I couldn't even get them on. So first thing this morning I got in there, I put them on, they said don't sweat it. So I can't go close. And then, which is cool I guess, but it doesn't matter. What they got is pretty cool. When that orange does catch light for a while, I don't know how long it stays charged, but there's that paint, and that paint glows big time. So you end up with something like that. There's better videos on it, but I want to do a video because I fell in love with the Trijicon and the Bright and Tufts. Those are beautiful, awesome, and couldn't go. Those are kind of smaller. They work perfect for that small frame subcompact. Since this was a full size, I wanted to go full size here. So let me know what you guys think.